So I'm about to go out to a very hot environment here in Orlando, Florida. We have accomplished a major feat.
The fridge is inside the bus.
In the bus, up the stairs. But here it is. So this is our new Dometic hybrid fridge. Wow.
Ooh, I want that.
I know, right?
So before we can pass the fridge through this narrow hallway, we gotta take the drawer out.
Here we go. Watch the bins.
We're installing the fridge.
Oh, we did it! It fits this glorious Dometic fridge.
Because the milk's jug fits. You think couldn't reach if there's something up there.
Yeah, that's like really small.
Good, that's where we'll keep all the good stuff.
Yeah, I can.
Alright.
Let's take this off.
Yeah, freeze it.
Somewhere.
It can be a fridge or a freezer.
No.
Oh, you stay in it.
You want it to be a fridge.
Excuse me, guys.
Oh, Daddy, I thought you gotta stain it. Hey, Mommy, we can start keeping groceries in here. It's very nice.
Right here.
Ew.
Here it is. All right, so what we're doing today is working on the platform where our wood stove will go. This is kind of what it's looking like right now. The wood stove will actually sit here, and behind it there's going to be a channel that's going to be all bricked, so it kind of will look like a chimney. There will be no heat pipe going through this, but it'll kind of look like a chimney. But what we are going to do is we're going to have an intake vent right here, and it will go down through this hole, and it will circulate the heat that's coming off of this wood stove throughout the bus. We'll be able to click on a button, it'll turn a fan on, and it will suck air from there and push it all the way back to our bedroom and the bathroom, and it will circulate that air. And in the summertime, we'll be able to circulate the air that's in the bus as well. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I was just thinking about one of these.
So Arwen makes us homemade lemonades, and she does a sugar ring around it and dips the ring in. What do you do?
Yeah, I dip it in lemon juice and then dip in sugar.
That's my girl.
Very good.
So this beautiful work of art, this cabinet system, is all my idea. Every bit of it. This system has been kind of an evolving project. It started out where we knew we wanted the shoe drawer in this area. We wanted to have a cabinet here so that we could have an armrest and a cabinet up front here for mitts and scarves and hats and all that fun winter stuff. The brilliant idea struck me that we could have a vent here.
What are you talking about?
That draws all that beautiful hot air down and throughout the bus. Actually, it was Shane's idea. We'll let him have credit for that. two holes that we just cut into our beautiful stack here are for, they're actually the intake. So the fan that we're going to install is able to draw from these two holes here. We'll brick around it, and you guys will see it'll look really cute.
It looks so cute. So right now we're making room for a 3-inch pipe that's going to come from above the wood stove, that's going to be pulling air from there and sending it to the back of the bus and into the bathroom. What we're doing today is we are building the upper cabinets for the bus. So we're building it out of this cabinet plywood. It's got kind of a smooth finish on the inside, and then the bottom that's exposed is we'll have a birch, which will be sanded and stained and varnished. And we're just cutting out all of our pieces and putting them together. So let's do this. Got our first cabinet, upper cabinet installed, and we're getting ready to install our second upper cabinet.
Yeah, we are.
Yay!
So we're taking a piece of paneling, just because this is an unfinished end. We're making it a finished end, like so. So this little guy has been rummaging around our job site, and we finally caught him. Little mole. Look at this guy. Man, he is he's strong. As soon as he starts digging.
Oh, it looks like.
Yeah, you guys can feel him. Feel his fur.
Oh,
Isn't it amazing how his fur is actually clean and he's just been digging all in the dirt?
That's it. Across the